English language teaching. English language teaching is based on the idea that the goal of language acquisition is communicative competence. It adopts concepts, techniques, and methods in classroom for recognizing and managing the communicative needs of the language learners. Competencies in English language. Number 1. Reading skills. Number 2. Writing skills. Number 3. Oral communication, listening or speaking. Number 4. Formal or lexical aspects of language. Number 5. Appropriate ethical and social development. Competence number 1. Reading. Reading is the most important language learning exercise. It allows its learners to subconsciously learn and retain new words and phrases. It is a fast way to improve vocabulary used in both speaking and writing. In intensive reading, students normally work with short text with close guidance from the teacher. The aim of intensive reading is to help students obtain detailed meaning from the text to develop reading skills such as identifying main ideas and recognizing text connectors, and to enhance vocabulary and grammar knowledge. A learner may face emotional and behavioral consequences if he is a struggling reader. Reading comprehensions. There are two essential components for learning to read. Number 1. Word recognition. Number 2. Language comprehension. Competence number 2. Writing. Writing is one of the most important exercises related to language learning. It is an important form of communication and a key part of our education. Good writing skills allows us to communicate our message with clarity and ease to a far larger audience than through face-to-face or through telephone conversation. Writing skill polishes the learner's grammar. Competence number 3. Oral communication, listening or speaking. Language is absolutely central to the students' learning. Without it, they cannot make sense or communicate understanding of any subject. We will need to develop their language skills and specifically their academic English in order to understand and make the most effective use of the study material, develop the specialized language and vocabulary relevant to the subject, interpret assignment questions and select relevant and appropriate material for their response, write well-structured and coherently presented assignments without plagiarism, communicate the need to the tutors, work productively with other students. Competence number 4. Formal and lexical aspects of a language. Pronunciation. Accurate pronunciation helps students to understand and articulate widely acceptable patterns of the English language for improved communication. Vocabulary. Vocabulary is an important part of learning a new language. Vocabulary means words that we use to communicate effectively in speaking, expressive vocabulary, and in listening, receptive vocabulary. Grammar. Grammar is the building blocks of any language and necessary for us to convey what we want to say properly. English curriculum helps students to understand grammatical functions and the use of principles of grammar, pronunciation, syntax for developing accuracy in their spoken and written. Competency number 5. Appropriate ethical and social development. This competence will help to develop ethical and social attributes and values relevant in a multicultural civilized society. The world is increasingly becoming a global village with people of different languages and cultures coming in frequent contact both at intra and international levels. English for Primary 1 and 2. Turnkey English from grade 1 and 2 follows the guideline of National English Curriculum. The basic requirements of reading and thinking skills, writing skills, oral communication skills, and formal lexical aspects of language are incorporated in all the units. Different reading strategies are incorporated to help students to recognize words and sentences as meaningful units of expression. Recitation of poems, activities with actions in the class improves the confidence level of the students in communicating the information or the idea. In vocabulary section activities, Students recognize and use with correct spellings, naming, action, and describing words, rhymes, and common phrases. Meaning of new words and simple words are given in the start of every lesson. Grammar section activities help students to recognize and articulate the basic sounds and sound patterns of English language at word and sentence level. A variety of simple interpersonal text, example greeting cards, postcards, dialogues, speech bubbles, cartoon strips are included in the exercises to improve the communication level of all students. Describing picture activities help students to improve their vocabulary, writing skills, and oral communication skills. Activities of expressing like or dislike about characters of the story helps the students to show their opinion and interact with text logically. Creative writing activities motivate students to write meaningful sentences of their own on the given topics. Teachers' notes are also given by the side of creative activities in order to help teachers to develop professionally. Grade 3 to 5. Various aspects of English language are integrated in the textbooks while following national curriculum. All units are theme-based lessons to cater diverse needs of the students. All genres are incorporated in the lessons including poems, prose, plays, and contemporary and moral stories. The textbook comprises of expressions for basic routine greetings and social courtesies for oral interaction in the class and school. The content is self-contained and sufficient to address effectively the learning targets of the curriculum without requiring the use of additional supplementary materials associated with the textbook. Various learning activities or exercises engage students as active learners to foster their generic skills. There is a balanced coverage of cognitive skills of all levels, examples skills in information gathering, remembering, focusing, organizing, integrating, analyzing, and generating, etc. Reading comprehension activities of identifying story elements, characters, setting, problem, solution, plotting encourage students to think critically and interact with the text. Vocabulary exercises help students to illustrate the use of dictionary for finding appropriate meaning and correct spellings. Grammar section comprises of conceptualized fun activities because it is a quite difficult task for the students to learn the abstract concepts of the grammar. Creative writing and story prompts activities help students to produce accurate and purposeful writing. Teachers' notes are also given by the side of the creative activities in order to help teacher to develop professionally. English for secondary 6, 7 and 8. Leading with discussed features, grades 6 till 8 English books have some more following additional features. These textbooks comprise a variety of text types including contemporary, fictional and moral stories, prose and poems. The reading material stimulates the students to work cognitively. The number of reading activities are designed to help students to recognize the patterns of text through skimming, scanning, making inferences, deducing meaning from the text and inferring meaning to the comprehend text. Exercises include multiple reading and thinking strategies for comprehension, fluency and enjoyment. In vocabulary section, students will be able to explore the use and purpose of word roots, contextual clues, phrases, transitional devices, similes, etc. Variety of vocabulary exercises will encourage students to have confidence in exploring and using new vocabulary. Grammar exercises are based on the understanding and using the principle of pronunciation, grammar, punctuation, and syntax for developing accuracy in their spoken and written communication. Through language exercise, students will be exposed to a variety of language expressions which are best suited for the communicative purpose. Since writing is very important for students to pass through new stages in academics, exams and later life, So our writing activities will enable students to produce academics and creative writing with fluency, accuracy, and confidently. Variety of pre-writing strategies such as brainstorming, mind mapping, etc. are used in the writing section of the exercises. For language activities, language notes are provided as guidelines for teachers to help them achieve learning objectives. Academic Support Protocol. Turnkey publishers provide a complete support to their readers which enhance academic excellence in the form of Academic Support Protocol, which includes Number 1. Solutions. A complete guidebook for all the teachers which includes solved exercises according to the need of the questions that helps the teachers in effective teaching. Number 2. Syllabus. Term-wise and month-wise syllabus breakups helps the teachers to plan the content to be taught in whole session in the proper time frame. Number 3. Teacher's Note. Teacher's note for each book are available according to the need of the topic, which helps the teachers to motivate and connect the students to the topic.